Refreshing watermelon feta salad with mint, a perfect summer delight. Imagine biting into a salad so refreshing that it instantly cools you down on a hot summer day. The juicy sweetness of watermelon, the tangy creaminess of feta, and the aromatic burst of fresh mint come together in a dish that is both simple and sophisticated. This watermelon feta salad with mint is not just another salad, it's a flavor-packed experience that brings summer straight to your plate. This recipe is perfect for backyard barbecues, picnics, or even as a quick snack when you need something light yet satisfying. It's a dish that balances sweet and savory in a way that makes every bite interesting. Plus, it takes only minutes to prepare, making it ideal for those moments when you want something delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. Ingredients: serves for 4 cups seedless watermelon, cubed, 1 cup feta cheese, crumbled, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, torn, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon balsamic glaze, optional, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Bringing the ingredients together. Start by cubing the watermelon into bite-sized pieces and placing them in a large bowl. The juicier the watermelon, the better. This is where the magic begins. Next, add the thinly sliced red onion, which introduces a subtle sharpness that perfectly complements the sweetness of the fruit. Crumble the feta cheese over the watermelon and onion mixture. The saltiness of feta not only enhances the natural sweetness of the watermelon but also gives the salad a luxurious texture. Now, scatter the torn mint leaves throughout. This is where the freshness kicks in, elevating the dish to a whole new level. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, fresh lime juice, sea salt, and black pepper. Drizzle this over the salad and gently toss everything together. If you want to add an extra layer of flavor, a light drizzle of balsamic glaze will do wonders, bringing in a slight tanginess that ties everything together. Pro tips for the best watermelon feta salad. Choose a ripe watermelon. Look for one that feels heavy for its size and has a creamy yellow spot. This indicates ripeness and natural sweetness. Use high-quality feta. Opt for a block of feta rather than pre-crumbled for a fresher, creamier texture. Chill before serving. For the best flavor experience, refrigerate the salad for about 15 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. Add some crunch. If you like a bit of texture, toss in a handful of toasted almonds or walnuts. Experiment with herbs. Basil can be a great alternative to mint if you want a slightly different flavor profile. Watermelon feta salad with mint is a dish that surprises in the best way possible, refreshing, slightly salty, subtly tangy, and bursting with summer goodness. Whether you're hosting a gathering or just treating yourself, this salad is a must-try. Have you ever tried this combination before? What's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon in the summer?